Welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. Before I start, let me take this opportunity to apologize all to you because I don't upload consistently because of my new job. Okay, so and also I would like to thank all of you who helped me to the next milestone, which is 450. Now I'm already on my 460, and thank you so much for all of you. And I'm really appreciate your help and your support. So without further ado, let's start. So it's Monday mini challenge, and I have here what I have here is a six. It's a six different challenges that I miss filming and I miss doing. So what I'm going to do is just shuffle it, and I will just tell you which channel or from which shop did I have it. Some of them are free and some of them are most of them are free. Okay, so let's okay. So what I got here is how much I got here is $50, and I just use a prop money here. So and I will exchange it later on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 18, 20. So this is 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So $50. So let's start. Okay, let's sewing challenges. So 3 here, 4, 5, 1, 6. Oh, one more. Come on. 1, 3. Come on. 2, 2, 2, 2. Oh, 5, 6, 6. What's that? 5, 6. Oh, I think it's finished. Let's see. 4, 6. Ah, that's too much. 2, yay, 2. All of them have love now. 3, 6. It's too much. Let's try this. I think it's too much. How many I need here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh no, not yet. Okay, continue. 3, 2. Oh, 2. How many left here? 6. 1, 4. Come on. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Because I want to finish this. 3. Okay, let's count this. Which one got? Which one have less? So we start with this one. Let's grab like this. Okay, let's start with Mystic Budgets. So the small star is $1 and the big one is $2. So what I have here is $12. So let's get then. Okay, $12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, $12. Any need some change here? 2, 5, another 10. You see, another 10. Yeah. So now this challenge got $21. And next one, this is my daughter's creation from my coffee shop. I know it's already Halloween is finished, so I just want to finish this one saving challenges. So how much? I got two here, so just cross two. One and two. So I need three more here to finish it. And now, well, let's change this. We got $28. Isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Yeah, 28. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Should be 27. Why? Or maybe I mark it one also. So 28. $28. You see what I did? I marked there. It's not the okay, next one. Oh, not finished saving challenges yet. Let's see this one. This is from Christy Budgets. Hi, Christy, a fellow Filipino cash topper, but now she's less active. So how much? One, two, three, $8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total of 3, 6, 9, 10, 11. $11. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How much? Oh, it should be $2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. Should be 22. 5, 10, 2, 4. What? I make a mistake. It should be $2, not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it should be 4 only. Okay. So this one is a mistake. So it means I got this 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Even 14, this is wrong. Then what happened to my savings challenges? What happened? If it's $2, what happened? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, right? Ah, yeah. Okay, let's put 14 here. I don't know what happened. Maybe I will know when I review this. But for now, let's do this like this. I thought this is $1 each. That's why. When you're tired, you have made more mistakes. So this is from Rox Budgets. I got it from as a freebie when I ordered from her for the butterfly scratch up saving challenge. So this one icon is $2. So what I got here is $7. So 2, 4, 6, and 7 is half. Okay. I will not do as a roll and save because this is mini saving challenge. And this one is from Live Budget. Oh, $2 per aircon, so it's $8. I'm rushing because I have work. It's now 5 o'clock and I need to be prepared within few minutes. I have to go by 5:30. So now it's got $8. I just mark it and I color it later. 1, 2, 3, 4. So total now is 15, 25. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Yeah, 25. That's correct. Give me and give me this. So it's 25. I will color it later. Okay, I'm in a rush. And this one is from Mel of Mamshi Queen. Let's see how much we got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 11. Okay. So total now is 11, 12, 13, 15. 8, 10. Yeah, 15. So $15. Let's change it. So we didn't finish any saving challenges today, but it's okay. So $50 been allocated, have been saved for mini saving challenge. And for the completion of this, any completed saving challenge will go to my mystery puzzle saving challenge, which is I uploaded last Saturday. So when I completed that, I will have another goal for my mini saving challenge. So for now, it is for my mystery saving challenge, which is from Rock's Budget. Okay, that's all for now, ladies. Hope to see you soon. Hope I will upload more and I film more. Thank you very much for being here. That's all for now and see you later. God bless you all. Be humble and grateful. Bye. See you next time. Hopefully soon. Bye.